Jonathan Lederman from LSS Law, and today I want to answer the question of who can put a lien on my property, both my real property and my personal property. And although this is not going to be an exhaustive list, I'm going to list the top 5 categories of people that can. First is the real estate taxing authority. If you fail to pay the real estate taxes on real estate that you own, the real estate taxing authority can put a lien on your real property. Secondly would be creditors in general. If a creditor gets a judgment against you, I should say, then a judgment creditor, which might have arisen from a credit card or medical bills or something like that, but they got a judgment against you, when they record a certified copy of that judgment in the public records, that can create a lien on real property that you own in that county. And then they can also create a lien on your personal property by filing in Florida anyway, what's called a judgment lien certificate. The third category of people would be attorneys that you hire. You have to be very careful about the language in the agreements for representation that you enter into when you hire an attorney, because there may be a clause in there that says if you don't pay your attorney's fees, then an attorney can put a charging lien against what you may be seeking to recover in the action that the attorney is helping you with. Fourth would be contractors. If you're having work done in your home, then typically a contractor will record a claim of lien in the public records, and that'll act as a lien against your home until you pay off that project. And when the project is paid off, then they will record a release of lien. And finally, I'd say the IRS. If you fail to pay your taxes and it reaches a certain level, then the IRS can file a federal tax lien, which will be a lien against your real and personal property. Now, bankruptcy as a tool can help avoid certain liens, and it can't help avoid other types of liens. But you should have a discussion if you find yourself in one of these situations with an experienced bankruptcy attorney. So if you're ready to have a sit down with myself or one of the other attorneys at my office for a no cost, no obligation strategy session, in which case we'll discuss your goals and go over all the options both in and out of bankruptcy, please reach out to my office to schedule that as soon as possible. If you're not quite ready for that step and you would simply like access to additional resources, or you'd like to watch other videos in which I answer additional frequently asked questions, you can gain access to those by clicking on the link below. Please remember, doing nothing changes nothing. If you're concerned about a lien that a creditor may obtain against you, please reach out. You have nothing to lose. Doing nothing is still a decision, and a poor one at that, in my opinion. We're here, ready, willing, and able to help you. All it takes is for you to pick up the phone. I encourage you to do so.